Welcome back to Teshkid Effects for another apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, starting my analysis here on the daily chart by giving you a brief of what has been happening. And you can see that apecoin, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $28.29 mark. And in that movement to the upside, taking us to an all-time high, that movement was not impulsive, and it's much of a three-wave structure, having that as the wave A, then we saw the wave B, then continued pushing even higher in the formation of that wave C, and also taking us to an all-time high. And after seeing the all-time high, we started this impulsive movement to the lower side, which is better seen on the lower time frames. And in that movement to the lower side, we have now made our low at around the $2.5971 mark, and also giving you a measure from the all-time high. And from the all-time high, you can see that is now down more than 89.45%, and that means there are chances that we might have seen the low for that impulsive movement to the lower side. And jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, here on the 4-hour chart I'm also going to give you the short-term scenarios that I expect to play out here on the apecoin chart, where you can see that after making our low at around the $2.5 mark, we started this impulsive movement to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where you can see the wave 5 made its peak at around the $4.5 mark, and also completed the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 1 to the upside. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 1 is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 2, which is right here, having this as the wave A, then the wave B, then the wave C, which fully maximized the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2 to the lower side. And getting to see whether this second wave has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do, using the Fibonacci's, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies between the $3.585 mark and the $3.35 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And there are chances that we might have seen the low for that higher Elliott wave count 2, and very soon I'm expecting the start of this impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I will also be expecting to see those fractal waves in formation, having the wave 5 completing the formation of that high Elliott wave count 3 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.5 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do. And jumping to the 1-hour chart, where we also have a chart pattern that is in formation and has been well obeyed, which is a channel which is right here, which is an ascending channel, and there are chances that we might see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side, given the 20-day MA, which is acting as support. There are chances that we might continue pushing even higher to the upper side of the channel, see a breakout out of the channel to the upper side, and also expect a retest of the upper side of the channel. And once that happens, that might be the start of that impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upside. And getting back to the 4-hour chart so that we can also take a look at the indicators, here on the RSI we are trading at around the 56 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have been able to print a bullish cross, and that means higher prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And that's the update for apecoin. And if you like the video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also consider checking out the channel membership.